Yeah, good day, my people. This is Agbos God's Power, the CEO of Agbos Comedy and Agbos Talk Show. I am using this media to invite you all to Nigeria Progressive Union General Election 2020 on the 30th of January 2020, this very Thursday, this week, on Thursday, because on Thursday is a public holiday. It is not a day to go to work, it's not a day to go to the market or to go to the church. Please let our father, our mother, our sisters, our brothers come out that day to vote. But I am doing this, I am begging you to come and vote for me, Agbos, as the treasurer, and OZ as the financial secretary, Monday as the PRO, Gideon as the general secretary, Mr. Justice as the vice president, Mrs. Osareme as the welfare secretary, while our able president, I call her a paragon, a man of skirt, which we all know, Mrs. Donye. Please, this is the time for us to vote for the right person. The Bible says, when the wicked one lead or rule, the people suffer, the people cry. But when the righteous lead or rule, the people rejoice. This is the time for us to vote for the righteous to lead. This is the time for Bilbao, the Nigerians in Bilbao, to experience this credibility. This is the time for Nigeria in Bilbao to experience transparency, to experience honesty, most importantly to experience diplomacy. This is the time for us to experience our integrity. Our integrity has been sold out. Our integrity has been sold out for just peanuts. So this is time for us to stand our ground. This is time for us to come out that day and vote for the right person. And that is why these 7 paragons are coming up to take Nigeria in Bilbao to their what? To their pinnacle. To their pinnacle. This is the time, because this very time, passport will not be difficult any longer. Police report will not be difficult any longer. You don't have to go through a lot of stress or financial stress or understand to get what you want. I mean, if I say financial stress, at least you don't have to suffer. Understand? So this is the time for us to experience transparency here in Bilbao. Please come out that day to vote. And the venue is at Iya Korea, beside McDonald's at Abadan. At Abadan, the election will start by between 3 to 8 p.m. We start the election by 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursday. Please, our brother and our sister, come out. My fans, come and vote. Just give me this chance. Just give us this chance, and you will see how we lead. We don't need a ruler, we need a leader. And that is why we are here to lead. We are not here to rule you, but we are here to lead you. We're here to bring back the respect. If you look at it, it just looks as if Nigeria, they are no more respected in this land. This is the time for us to bring back respect from the embassy, respect from the government, respect from the religious, respect from all over the city. I mean, the city or the 4 corners of the city, in this Bilbao, in this pain. This is time for us to bring back this diplomacy. That is why I am begging you to come out and vote for us. I am here, your boy, your able boy, Agbos God's Power. Vote for me as treasurer. Come out that day. Let my brother, if you really love me, I love you, it's not by mouth. You are really my fan, you really love me. Come out that day and vote for me. And God will bless you. Remember, the venue, Iya Korea, beside McDonald's by Abadan. When you reach Abadan, you know, just like you are going towards Monday Bar. Now you can, even when you are going there, you will see black around there. So when you call or just call the screen, I mean the number rating of the screen, call the numbers, call any of the numbers, and they will direct you there. And I believe with your vote, this land Bilbao will be better again. With your vote, Nigeria in this Bilbao will not experience complication, will not experience difficulties. Let's vote for the right person. We don't need set of criminals. We need people that have the facts, people that have the truth in them, the honest people, the people with integrity, the people that maintain their priority, the people that maintain their stand. Come one, come all, and make sure your vote counts. God bless you.